So I've put everything back together. Well, not quite everything. The hood and the parts are still there. Everything relevant to actually running the machine is put back together. So I'm just gonna hop on, start it up quick, go back and backwards and forwards, and just show you guys everything does work. So sit on the seat, push that in, choke out, key. So this mower is now back to working. I can actually finally put the deck on, which is sitting elsewhere, and the hood and all that stuff, so I'll probably end up doing that tomorrow. But at least it runs, and it runs well.